having a great day. It's currently like 10 a.m. Eastern time. I just actually finished up the live trading call with the team, and I gotta be honest, today is one of those Mondays when the price action is actually extremely shit. So no trades taken today. This is part of trading. This is what I love about trading. I choose my hours. I choose how I get paid, when I get paid, etc. And today it's just the odds were stacked up against me, so I didn't take a trade. And that's just what you have to do as a trader, to analyze the markets, check when should you trade. So pretty much the whole session was pretty typical of No News Monday. This is the whole session. Like, for the first 20 minutes, consolidation, moving sideways, shit. Look at this, what the fuck? And it's kind of moving in this zone. And I pretty much ended the live call in here, but no trades taken today. And that's just the reality of trading. And yeah, man, that's what's up.
Okay, man, you saw it right there. No trades taken today whatsoever. And you may wonder, like, why am I recording these videos if I didn't even take a trade? Well, for the simple fact that I am a day trader who wants to actually show you the reality, what it takes to become a profitable trader. And I'm literally just documenting my freaking live point of view of a day trader who makes money in these markets. I am profitable now, and I want you to become profitable because trading has changed my life completely. Like, it's the freedom, and the reason what I love about trading is the simple fact that I do not get paid by the hour. I get paid by doing right decisions, and I choose my hours, my working hours. Literally today I chose to trade for 30 minutes, be in the market for 30 minutes because, that's that's enough for me to analyze the markets to see, am I gonna take a trade today or not, because it looked extremely shit. That's how it went. But yeah, regardless, the main reason of these videos, why I record these point of view of a day trader videos, is the simple fact that show that trading fucking works. You can become a profitable trader. And I've been making consistently money in this market for 1.5 years. I started when I was 14, okay? I started 3.5 years ago. I was losing for 2 years, but it was all worth it. Obviously, the thing here is, I would have been way faster if I would have learned from the right person. That's why I'm here, to innovate, motivate, and educate, and show you the reality, what it actually takes. And if you want to become profitable way faster, then I have a free course to you, free Discord, etc. It should be the first link in the description. Get access to that, and that's what's up. But regardless, I'ma hit the gym now. I'ma have a push day, amazing push day. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Yo, man, what's good? So this is gonna sound fucking crazy, but I pretty much came already from the gym. The reason why I didn't record much, like literally nothing at the gym today, is for the simple fact that I went to the gym. It's like the golden hour, bro. Like, it's the worst hour to go there. It was so packed. There was like so many people, and it was so full. So I was like, you know what, I'm just get this workout done and just get the fuck out of here. But amazing workout, that's good. Like, amazing workout. Push day. I had some, chest, tricep, shoulders, dips, etc. All that good stuff. But now what I'm going to do is take some of this, the magic sauce. Guys, I'm on trend. Do you believe me? I use steroids. No, I'm playing. This is creatine. I don't have a scoop. Like, I lost my scoop, so I'm gonna use like a teaspoon. I'm not sure if this is like the good amount. That's the only way to do it, bro. That's the only way to do it. That's the fastest way to do it as well. I'm not sure if there's any downsides to that, dry scooping that shit, but it doesn't pretty much taste anything. But yeah, time is money. We ain't got time to waste to freaking fill it up and just drink it like sip by sip. Nah, bro, I'm just gonna dry scoop it. Obviously, bro. But I'm not gonna lie, it was calm day. This day, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do that much shit. Okay? I didn't do that much shit. I just pretty much, I woke up, recorded some Instagram reels. I don't even post that much on Instagram. I mainly post on YouTube because YouTube is like, this is like my hobby and shit. I'm just saying what's up, showing what I do for money, showing what I do for a living. And I don't know if I said this, bro, but the reason why I want you to start trading is I want you to experience the life of a day trader, because it's so amazing. Because the freedom, and also not just the freedom, it's the fact that you get paid, I get paid by doing decisions. not by the hour. That's what I love about the most in trading. And the best way to become profitable is to start. That's the first step, bro. Everybody's so caught up in the fact that, oh, I'm not profitable. But guess what? I was in the same position, bro. I was in the same exact position. I became profitable, yeah. Now it's all about capital, etc., etc. The first step is to start, because I know so many people that just slack, just don't do anything about it. They just know that they're unprofitable, but they do not try and find the reason, or just for the simple fact that they learn from wrong people. And if now for some reason you want to learn from my strategy, my profitable exact same strategy, then it should be the first link in the description. Free course, free, completely for free. I'm gonna give it to you. I could make you pay thousands for it, but I'm gonna give it for free, okay? First link in the description. Free Discord, free course, free community, free lucky wheel, the package, you know, complete for free. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you really soon, hopefully. Check my Instagram, subscribe, and as usual, bro, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out. No trades taken today. Peace out.